Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to show you one of the most easiest things on Shopify that you can change, and that's change address. So what we have to do first, we have to log in as an admin, and once we do that, we are, as you can see, in our workspace, and this is what you are going to see. Hopefully your trial didn't expired on this account as mine did, but it doesn't actually matter for us right now. We want to focus on the bottom left part, where are the settings, and we're gonna click on settings, and we don't have to click no further. Here are basic information and address. It's a second option. At the moment I have Slovakia used as my address, and we want to edit it, top right corner next to the address. Here we can just put address, apartment suite, postal code, and the city. It's extremely easy. So address, let's go with I don't know what kind of street. Once you fill out all your information of your store, of your address, where your customers can find you or send you packages back, all you have to do is hit save. Obviously I don't really fill it in all, just save it and you are good to go. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next one. Have a great day and goodbye.